AlticoreMCU brings reliable, on-time intelligence to the kinds of systems that must react instantly, from vehicle safety controls to medical monitors and industrial equipment. In these environments, even a slight delay can cause a device to miss something important or respond too late. Traditional AI methods can't guarantee the precise timing these systems require, which turns slow or inconsistent responses into real risks. AlticoreMCU was built to solve that problem by ensuring every decision arrives exactly when it's needed. In critical systems, a single millisecond can decide whether something succeeds safely or fails unexpectedly. The question isn't how powerful a device is, it's whether its intelligence delivers results on time. From surgical tools to autonomous vehicles and factory controllers, timing isn't a detail, it's everything. It's the difference between smooth operation and sudden failure. Most artificial intelligence methods weren't built for this reality. Neural networks, for all their power, don't always respond at the same speed. Their timing shifts based on how data flows, how memory is accessed, and how much arithmetic they need to process. But in a deterministic system, meaning a system that must behave the same way every cycle, unpredictable timing becomes dangerous. A late answer is a wrong answer. In safety-critical environments, uncertainty equals risk. When timing slips, the effects ripple outward. A car's safety system reacts a beat too late. A medical sensor misses a sudden change. A home generator doesn't switch on when the power drops. For businesses, the same delays scale up. A factory arm moves a split second too late, damaging parts instead of assembling them. An automated conveyor hesitates between cycles, holding up shipments across the floor. A power grid switch lags for a fraction of a second, cutting electricity to entire neighborhoods. These aren't dramatic failures. They're the small lapses that quietly erode safety, reliability, and trust. AlticoreMCU, engineered by EvoChip based in California, takes a fundamentally different path. It doesn't rely on neural network math at all. Instead, it's built on logic-level operations, the simple bitwise logic and shifts that microcontrollers execute natively. Every operation runs in the same sequence. Every cycle uses the same small block of working memory. Every result arrives exactly on schedule. This creates deterministic intelligence, same input, same output, same timing, every time. Where neural networks multiply and accumulate thousands of weighted values, AlticoreMCU evaluates logical conditions directly, requiring only a fraction of the arithmetic and no dynamic memory allocation, meaning it doesn't need to keep reserving and freeing up memory as it runs, which prevents timing drift. The result is predictable, low-latency behavior that fits seamlessly into firmware schedules. The rest of the system keeps its rhythm. No stalls, no interruptions. Reliable timing changes what's possible. In automotive systems, braking logic can react in microseconds, not averages. In medical devices, monitoring can catch real events instead of noise. In industrial automation, controllers stay synchronized, maintaining precision and safety. Predictable timing also makes certification practical. Engineers can test once and trust that behavior never varies, a requirement for compliance, safety, and audit readiness across regulated industries. Because this same reliable foundation carries across devices, teams can scale with confidence. It can live as firmware in small electronics, quietly ensuring that appliances, wearable devices, and everyday tools respond instantly and reliably. It can run as software on connected platforms, managing traffic systems, power grids, and industrial networks so they coordinate safely and efficiently. And it can exist as built-in silicon when products need ultra-efficient, always-on intelligence, inside sensors, vehicles, and infrastructure that must keep watch every moment without fail. That continuity isn't just technical, it's practical. It means intelligence stays predictable, trustworthy, and ready, whether in your hands, in your home, or across the systems that keep the world moving. AlticoreMCU brings intelligence that engineers can trust, precise, testable, and certifiable. The math fits the machine. Intelligence, where timing matters most.